to my channel. I'm Jamie, and today what I'm doing is a collaboration with the Makeup Mafia. We're going to do a little bit of a simple thing today. We're just going to do a get to know me tag with the Makeup Mafia. So we have some questions here, and we're just going to answer them. So I'll read them to you. So the first question is, what time do you go to bed? Me? Normally I go to bed around 1 o'clock. I could stay up till 3 or 5, but I've been trying to go to bed at 1 o'clock, so around 1 to 2 o'clock in the morning, basically, and then I get up at like 10 or 9 or 9:30, 10. Next question, number 2. What fast food chain would you close down if you could? I don't really know. I don't really know. I guess I'd pick McDonald's just because. I mean, they're okay, but they're kind of unhealthy. Something I really never thought of, you know, because nobody's going to let me close nothing down. But anyways, number 3. What part of your body could use lotion? My heels. Girl, when it becomes nice outside, I'm just like sandals, sandals, sandals. So therefore, my heels and my feet need lotion probably pretty much daily. Number 4, when you break things, do you throw it out or fix it? If it's fixable, I just fix it. That'll save you money, you know? So normally if it's fixable, I'll fix it. If it's something you can't fix, throw it out. Don't keep it around. You don't need it. That means you're a hoarder. You like my earrings? Okay, number 5. If you had all the money in the world, what would you buy with it? What would you buy first? I would buy a house, like a big mansion, and cars, you know, stuff like that. You know, I'd just be selfish. I probably also would start some sort of business, like a makeup brand or something like that, you know, have a fun makeup brand. Call it Mimi's Makeup. I don't know, that's just a thought, just throwing that out there. Who knows? 6, what would you rather keep, your current sleeping schedule or sleep for 3 months then be awake for 9? I'll just keep my current sleeping schedule because I'm not trying to sleep for 3 months and then be awake for 9 months. That's the weirdest question I've ever heard. I'll just keep my normal life and we'll be good. We'll be cool, dude. Number 8, if someone borrows something from you and doesn't return it, is it stealing? Yeah, it's stealing. If it's my property and I busted my ass to buy it with my own money, you better return it, girl. Unless I tell you, you know, you can keep it for an extended amount of time. It doesn't matter. You know, it really depends on the circumstances. But if I give you something, girl, you better give it back to me. Okay, question number 9. Would you rather have a stuffy nose or something green stuck in your teeth for the rest of your life? I'm pretty sure I'd just rather have something green stuck in my teeth. I'll just make sure I don't smile. Because a stuffy nose, that will drive me to the loony bin quicker than anything. I cannot stand a stuffy nose. I will go insane. So, yeah. I'm going to have you having something green stuck right here in my teeth for the rest of my life, girl. And the last question, we had 10 questions, by the way. What is something you learned this week? Well, I learned to not try to do my hair on my own, which I think I can trim my hair on my own, but no box dyes because they're yucky, and your hairdresser will not be very pleased. Even if you're in quarantine, you probably should just not do that, but that's up to you. But anyways, yeah, that is the questions for the Get to Know Me tag. All the rest of the girls are doing them too. We're just picking an easy, simple thing to do this month. So, you know, normally we're on here putting on our makeup. This is a Get to Know Me. So, go down in the description box. I'll have everyone listed down below. Everybody's doing this tag. They're going to answer the same questions. Make sure you follow all of my social medias. And that is it for the tag. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.